My life is really interesting.
So I'm really excited because today my friend will come. Okay guys, welcome to my room. You have a secret boyfriend. That is true. So then I'm scared that like the police will come and take me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today it is a vlog. Right now I'm already dressed. I did kind of my makeup and my hair, and I'm getting ready to be on the way to do my nails. So push the like button right now and you guys will see what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so right now I have these nails. It's like I love red color and I love red nails, but I'm kind of tired of them. And also look how much they grew. It's actually my nails, it's not acrylics. So yeah, let's go because I'm kind of late now.
My life is really interesting. I didn't film, but I did my nails. I love them. Like, look, they're literally so cute. But anyways, when I came like home from the nails, I felt really bad, so I went to sleep. And like usually I never sleep in like during the day, but I felt so bad, and I fell asleep for like an hour and a half, and then I woke up and I was still feeling like not so good. So today my friend invited me. She has like birthday, so she invited me to come, but then I was feeling horrible. So at first part I didn't go. Like first they went to a restaurant, and now they will go to her house and like we'll do something there. So because I felt bad, like I didn't go to the restaurant, but maybe right now my dad will take me and I will go to her house. So yeah, my life is really interesting. Also, like I won't do my makeup because it's already like evening, dark, like people won't really see my face, but the only thing I have is a little bit of mascara, and also I will like put something on my lips. And also, if you want to know interesting fact about me, like it is a joke, because I was like joking about that with my mom. Like I was saying that I ate nuggets with barbecue sauce and then if something, like no one can come next to me, and it's like I smell like nuggets. So, but you know, you don't need to know that. I will take a gum and brush my teeth before I'm gonna leave. So yeah, let's go. I'm so excited.
Okay, so I'm ready and I'm in the parking lot with my dad. I mean, he was here with me like 5 seconds ago, but then he forgot his keys, so he went back to take them. And I mean, I'm not late because we don't really have time, like at what time you need to be there, but still, like right now it's like 9:25, and like I will need to be, it will take me like 30-25 minutes to be there, so I don't know, we'll see. This is my look. I have black top, pink jeans, white shoes, and yeah. So guys, it's my it is already second day. Actually right now it's 1 o'clock, so my day is already started, and I did a lot of stuff. I had singing classes, and also I did my school. I know it's like already almost like it's like Christmas break, but still I did some of my assignments because I do homeschool, so I can do them at any time. Also, my parents left, and I don't know why, but like before my sister and brother were born, like I always had my friends like coming over to my house, but then when they were born, I don't know why, but like I kind of stopped inviting my friends to my house. So I'm really excited because today my friend will come like here. So I'm really excited. Right now I'm trying to clean like some stuff, and you will see what we will do next. Okay guys, welcome to my room. I mean, I cleaned some stuff here. You can see, right? Also I have this unicorn, and it's actually Naomi's, but I have no idea what it's like doing in my bedroom, but anyways, it looks cute, right? So yeah, now let's wait for my friends to come. Okay guys, so the plan kind of changed. So right now my friend is picking me up and we're going to the store because her mom asked her to go there, and after we'll see what we will do next. I don't know if we can come to my house because my parents will probably be home, so I don't know. Also it's raining and the weather is horrible, but like it's still warm, so I'm wearing this, and I took my hoodie with me. Okay guys, so Maria just picked me up, and I still can't like believe that you're driving so good. I need to like start driving, but I'm good. You'll be driving soon. We'll go somewhere. Well, not somewhere. If you guys want to see that, to the lake bottom right now, so we will film the video when like Maria.
Margarita trying to kill me?
No, I'm not that bad. I don't know why people think that I will be like a bad driver, but like
I don't think you'll be.
I know I will be a nice driver. Like I will be a great driver. But anyways, right now we are going to a store that Maria's mom asked her to go. Then we're going to another store, and then also we might go to movies today with our friends. So it sounds like an interesting day. I just don't like that it's raining. Like the whole mood is kind of ruined, you know, because it's raining. So. Okay, so guys, while Maria is driving, let's like you react to assumptions about me.
Yes.
So the first one is I can be really mean.
It really depends.
But okay, but I've never been like really mean.
No.
And like to anybody that like we all know, like no, I can be like mad, or I can annoy her sometimes, like a lot, because I don't know,
But like me, like no.
Oh, I love you. I'm scared you will get like I will get like exposed here. Yeah. Okay, so Zoan, she's talking to multiple boys at once.
True. No, just not joking. No. Margarita is actually. She talks to everyone as a friend, of course.
You're a nerd.
You're a nerd. Yeah. Margarita is a nerd.
I'm not a nerd. I just like I care about.
Yeah.
I care about like grades and stuff like that, but.
Yeah,
I feel like I'm answering assumptions about me, not you. You need to say more, because I'm like, no.
I think, yeah, you're not a nerd, but you like getting your stuff in and like doing everything like good. You don't want to. Yeah, you're kind of a nerd.
Yeah. Okay, next one. You're self-centered.
You are self-centered. You focus on your things. If you have to do something, you'll do them.
But is it a bad thing or no?
Self-centered?
Yeah.
No, it's like you're.
Because it sounds like.
No, self-centered is like you're very focused. Imagine like you have a shooting to do.
Yeah.
You're going. Like that's your priority. That's self-centered.
Okay, I guess I'm self-centered.
You are self-centered.
Okay, you're lying about your age.
No.
I'm 16. I don't know.
Sometimes you look older, sometimes you look 16.
Yeah, before that, like everybody used to make fun of me because I looked like younger than my age. And then something like one day I woke up and everybody thinks I'm like 20. No, I don't know. Like no.
No, she doesn't lie about her age. She's 16, guys.
Okay, you have a secret boyfriend. That is really.
That is true. She does. You can see through. I want to get a drink.
Me too.
You want to get a drink? Hello.
Oh my God, that is.
How can I help you? Hi, can I have a Baja Blast? You want that?
Yeah, what is that?
Yes, she does have a secret boyfriend, Margarita.
Also, there was like so many questions at like what age I had my first kiss, and then like how many boyfriends I had. But like I don't know, I don't want to answer that.
No,
it's
she's
like,
not gonna answer
it's
that.
It's like mine. But I'm like that because I don't really.
Yeah.
You don't speak in Spanish to your friends.
Margarita actually speaks.
Hola.
No, but.
A little bit.
Yeah,
Poquito,
she does.
Poquito.
She actually does, and like.
Because this year I'm learning Spanish, so.
Yeah, we have a lot of friends that speak Spanish, so.
I feel like everybody speaks Spanish here.
Yeah.
Like all of my friends speak Spanish. Like everybody.
Everyone.
And then me, I'm like, hola. Hola. Okay. And you seem kind of boring.
Margarita's not boring.
It's
so actually
fun.
The reverse.
I'm so annoyed sometimes. Annoyed.
She's very, very crazy. Don't give her sugar.
Oh my.
Don't.
Sugar.
Don't give her anything.
That can make me hyper, you know? Like chocolate.
Should we just like open it? Try it.
And then it spills on me. You see it goes like, because you see, I'm not bored. I can be really hyper, and I can be also like, if you don't know me, like I can be sometimes really annoying to like a new person because they don't know me and like they don't know how I act. So
yeah.
But all my friends love me, right?
Yeah, we all love you.
It's so fun. Maria.
I don't know how we're getting out of the car.
Oh, it's here?
I don't know if I have an umbrella.
I don't have an umbrella. I didn't see the umbrella. Okay, so we just parked and we're trying to see how we can get out because it's raining outside. So
And I don't know if I have an umbrella.
I don't think that you own an umbrella, like in your car. No.
You don't think I have an umbrella?
At home, yeah. In
No,
your car,
in my car.
I don't think so, no. So Maria bought something for her mom and I bought something for us. Candies, it's 4D and they look so interesting. Like look.
They're like the big versions. Ones.
Yes. And also, I love sour stuff, so I like that.
Sour punch. I've never tried that one.
You will try it out? I'm excited. I love them. I want. No, wait. I want a pineapple.
Oh, they're so
Look,
cute.
they're. Oh my god. Oh.
Okay, but let's try. The whole thing?
Mm-hmm. And people can think that I'm bored. No.
No.
It's not that. I mean, it's not bad. It just. I wish it was softer.
Yeah.
Just like.
Hard.
But it's cute.
Yeah, it's like cute.
More than like actually yummy. Okay, let's go now.
Yeah, I don't really like it.
Okay, so something really scary happened. So Maria left to the store and then she left me alone in the car, and I'm standing like almost in the middle of the road, and like she said that if something like I should move the car, but then I can't really drive, so like no, I can't move the car. So then I'm scared that like the police will come and take me. So yeah, let's wait, because I really don't want like adventure right now, you know. So guys, we just left Maria's mom. Drove Maria's mom, and now we are going to our friend's house to see how his cat is doing, because his like parents is not here. Yeah, and he's like in his friend's house. So we're going to see his cat right now. Let's go, Chris.
He's calling his phone.